Hey guys, my name is George, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to create a website using our Google Cloud platform. As you can see, I'm already logged into the student account, my Google account, and it's gonna be working towards the Google account. So actually, we're just gonna start off right here. The settings sections, and you're gonna go to the marketplace. And then when in marketplace, you're going to be searching for PrestaShop, and you're going to go ahead and select on the PrestaShop certified by Bitnami. So once you get to this page, you're going to go ahead and select launch on compute engine. So once you're on this section right here, you're going to go ahead and change the time zone to US West. You can select A, B, or C, it doesn't matter. I'm going to go with A. And then right here, your boot disk type, you're going to change to SSD, persistent disk. You're going to leave everything else the same, and then you're going to go and hit deploy. So it's going to welcome you right here. Not that important, you can close out of it. And then you can just wait on the cloud launcher until everything is set up right here. Over here it tells you your site address and all your information, and right now it's pending since this is still working. So I'm going to go ahead and pause you guys until it's ready for you guys. Alrighty, so you can see the PrestaShop has finally been deployed. Once you get to the section over here, you can actually see that your site address is actually all filled in along with the following information. So now you can use all this stuff. So first of all, you're going to go check your website and just drag it up to the R and let it load. Give it a few seconds. So this is the page that loaded up. So essentially the user end of your website is going to be looking like. So this is what the customers are going to look like. Stuff, and this is what came when I selected the site address right here. So for the admin side, so the back end, it's going to be looking a little bit different than this shop right here. So give it a few seconds. And then once you get to this section right here, the information that you have to put in is all right here. So your admin user is user@example.com, and this is your temporary password. You can go ahead and highlight that and just copy it. And all this information can be changed. You don't need to change it for right now. So go back to this, so go user@example.com, and then just Command V or Command paste password you selected from over here. This password, and then just go ahead and log in. So once you log in successfully, you're gonna get this welcome shop, and you can just click later on this since we won't be needing that. Oop. There you go. So this is your dashboard, and it basically allows you to control your sales, your orders, cart value. You can see the visitors you have online, and all the data that's collected, and all the sales and all that kind of stuff. And this is where you control everything: orders, catalog, customers, customer sales, stats. And this is how you design the website and all that stuff. So essentially this right here will be controlling the customer sales over here. And all this information is where you got from right here.